going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. We got my buddy Alex's brand new 2025 Road Glide in brilliant red. You guys might have seen this on the channel a few videos back when we rode to Motor City the day he picked the bike up, and he's got about 500 miles on it now. So he hit me up and he's like, hey, I'm ready to mod this thing out. So in today's video, we are going to do a 500-mile service and change the oil in the bike for him. And we're also going to install a brand new 2-in-1 exhaust from Tab Performance. Yes, some of you may have heard of Tab exhaust before. They're known for their slip-ons. But however, this year they just came out with a new 2-in-1 Redline performance exhaust, and we're getting ready to check it out and install it on his 2025 Road Glide today. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. I'm gonna show you guys what the bike sounds like bone stock, and then I'll show you guys what it sounds like with the new 2-in-1 exhaust from Tab Performance. So stay tuned. This bike is bone stock. He just put 500 miles on it, and we are getting ready to spice it up a little bit today and putting a 2-in-1 exhaust pipe on it. So go ahead and start it up and let's hear what this thing sounds like stock. Nice sewing machine you got there. Vacuum cleaner. Alright guys, so I just unboxed the new 2-in-1 exhaust from Tab. As you can see here, the header pipe is in chrome, and then we have the black heat shields to go over it once we get it on the bike. And then obviously we have the black muffler to go with it as well. I really like the end cap on this Tab exhaust. It's got a nice contrast cut end cap. This is a 4-inch muffler, guys, so it's gonna look real good coming out the back of the bike here. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but it's got a nice louvered baffle in there as well, so this pipe should sound really good. Like I said earlier in the video, I've never seen or heard a bike with a 2-in-1 exhaust from Tab. Every time I've seen or heard of Tab exhaust, they've been slip-on. So I'm really eager to see what this pipe looks like on the bike, and also can't wait to hear what it sounds like. So here's the part number for the header pipe, and here's the part number for the muffler. And I'll put a link in the description below on where you guys can get this 2-in-1 system from Tab. This pipe will fit 2024 and up touring bikes, street glide, road glide. So here's your part number. This is the new Redline Performance 2-in-1 system in black, and it's a 2-piece deal. You get the header pipe in one box and the muffler in the other box. So there's all the part numbers you need there if you guys want to order one up yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and take the stock exhaust off his bike. As you can see, he rides his shit, right? You can see he's been putting some miles on it. And we're gonna take the stock exhaust off and then bolt on the new Tab exhaust, and I'll pick the camera back up once we get it on there and show you guys what it sounds like. All right guys, so we just got the pipe installed on the bike. This color definitely needs a black pipe on it. I definitely think the black looks the best on this brilliant red color. But yeah, we're getting ready to start it up here for the first time. Give you guys a cold start on this 2025 Road Glide. So go ahead and start it up. Alright guys, so here's a look at the pipe with the saddlebags on. As you can see, it's a nice fitment, and it sticks out just a little bit past the bag, which is a good look because you get to see that nice contrast cut end cap from Tab there. The 4-inch muffler definitely stands out and looks meaty on here. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this new Tab Performance 2-in-1 Redline Series pipe. It's the first time I've ever installed a Tab exhaust on any bike. Definitely have to say that the fit and finish was nice. The quality and the craftsmanship was good. It definitely reminded me of the Chromeworks pipe. Not sure if Chromeworks makes the pipes for Tab, but they definitely have a lot of similarities. But yeah, there you have it, guys. All right, so now we're gonna take the bike out, letting you guys hear the exhaust rolling down the road through the gears, give you guys a good understanding on how the Tab exhaust sounds. This new guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at DOOWORK Motorsports. I'll put it up here on the screen. Also, check out my website, DOOWORKMotorsports.com. Get yourself some merch. I got hats, hoodies, t-shirts, and other stuff coming to the store. So make sure you guys go check that out. If you guys want to support the channel by buying some merch, I greatly appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, what you thought of the sound of the new pipe. Alex is stoked and his bike is looking killer. So can't wait to do more mods to this bike. It will be featured more on the channel as we go. But that's all for today, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.